So I'm thinking about getting my makeup done for Dochi's wedding. Children, you like to waste money. Why not save that your money? Or you give to me. I can even make you up here. Sister Ijoma, Shebi, I used to do your makeup when we used to go to a party.
Oh, yes.
Very lovely. Anyway, I think you're gonna like it. So auntie, what do you think? Do you like it? So this is what the person did to your face, and you gave them money.
Yay.
Oh, America. My dear, I will not lie to you. It doesn't look good. It does not look good. I have to be honest with you. Okay. Why is it so black? It's like she went and painted your face with charcoal. You know you're supposed to try to match your foundation color to your neck, right? Who is proclaiming that one? That your powder should be the same color as your neck.
This is my first time hearing that one.
Who is looking at your neck? Or is it your neck that your husband will come and marry? See, when you do makeup, you're supposed to bring your face out. Yeah, you bring your face out. My sister, can you imagine? Somebody went to go and do makeup and they are telling you have to paint your face. You have to paint your neck.
Imagine.
Next thing, they'll be painting your stomach and you'll be sitting there giving them money.
Even your armpit itself.
Thank you. Me, I like it. Okay. What time is the wedding, Seth? The wedding starts at 2. And it's 2:15 now. It's even early, but anyway, let me even go and start preparing, Seth.
Yeah, so soon.
I know, but you know. Hey, so you people are not ready. Oh wow, it's 4:35. If you don't know, you know I don't like to be late. Whoa.
My sister, your makeup is looking so lovely.
No, I know.
Please, you teach me.
Yeah, you know I know how to do makeup. You know, when I used to live in the UK, I used to do makeup for the royal family.
You don't mean it?
Now, even until today, Queen Elizabeth, she'll be calling me. She'll be saying, please, come and do my makeup, Joe, come and make me up. Until one day, I just had to tell her, I said, please calm down. You're embarrassing yourself. The disturbance was too much. Yeah, but whenever I go to the UK, they know me for my makeup. I've not even put on perfume.
Auntie, but it's not your wedding.
No, it's not my wedding, but it's still my day. Yeah, people are coming to see me. So I have to be looking good. Okay? I've not put on necklace. Hey, please, my jewelries. This girl, you are too sluggish. When you are doing things, you have to be quick. Hurry up, please. Let us come and be going. I beg. Let's get out of this place.